Hi there, today I'll share with you the way to add colorful dual lighting effect to portrait photo in Photoshop. As usual, you have to cut the subject out of the background, select Subject. Photoshop AI will automatically make the selection of the model for you, and it did great. Let's have a look closer. There's still a tiny part of his ear left out. We'll use pen tool to add it into the selection. Then go to select and mask, pick up refine edge brush tool and paint around the edges of his hair to select hair precisely. In Output Toolbox, choose Selection and OK. Click to Folder icon to create a group and click to Layer Mask icon to add Layer Mask to Group 1. Next, create Black and White Adjustment Layer and Gradient Mask Layer. In Gradient Map Layer, click to the Gradient Review to open Gradient Editor window. In Preset, drop down menu in Basic folder and choose Black, White. Double click on the white point below the gradient to open the color picker. Set the color to light blue, then OK twice to close this window. Change blend mode from normal to hard light and decrease opacity to 90%. Select the white layer mask of gradient layer, pick up brush tool, black in foreground, opacity around 45%. Since we'll add red color to one side of his body, we'll remove the blue color that hits on half of his body. We'll spare it for the red one. Just paint on the areas that you want to apply the red color. Now duplicate gradient map layer with Ctrl or Command J and reverse it with Ctrl or Command I. Click to Gradient Review to open Gradient Editor again. Just change blue color to red one. There you go. For now, just do some minor adjustment to make the photo more stunning. If you want to edit in blue or red areas, just click on each layer mask, use brush tool and paint over wherever you want to show or hide the color effect. Click to arrow icon here or press X to change between black and white to foreground. Remember, white is for revealing and black is for hiding. That's it. If you enjoy this technique, hit like button and leave comments if you have any questions about the tutorial. Bye bye.